Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Alright guys, so hey Wagwan, what's up? Yes, I'm very short. So I wasn't vlogging today, but I met another small YouTuber on the road. So we're currently in Ocho, and I heard her coming out, doing her thing, videoing. And you know, you have to show support when you hear people trying, because the community is so wide. And then, you know, as small YouTubers, we have to fight harder to get the work done and get the support popping. So she's going to introduce herself and make sure you go check out her channel. Kind of know the thing already, so yeah.
Yes guys, I am Teacher P Downer. That's the name of my channel. I do a lot of things on my channel. I vlog. You're gonna see videos with me and my son. Come DJ, let them see you.
So this is DJ. Yeah, Team Shy, yeah.
So you will see a lot of videos with me and my son, like when we're out, like eating, traveling. I also do plays, like skits and different mental health issues and so on. I play the role of a counselor and also the client, so you'll not be disappointed.
Okay, good. So I'm interested. I'm definitely going to go home and check it out, because you know we have to have the little time extra store up where you can see the content more than one of them. So yeah, make sure to go subscribe, check her out, and give us support. All right, so yeah
guys.
All right guys, well going. So I'm continuing the vlog from we're currently in Ocho. We came to the supermarket to get a few stuff, but I wanted to put you guys onto this ice cream. If you never know about the ice cream, yeah, this ice cream, it's not a sponsored video. Them people here, but I wish them people will sponsor me. So again, does the ice cream, I hope me I pronounce the word the right way, you know, like when people
close to me.
It run back like that. Okay, so especially the strawberry flavor. This is ice cream from, we call it work and travel days. We used to eat them flush. We used to have these ice cream flush in our fridge. You know, in a Jamaica tendency, flush will mean enough. A lot in the fridge, yeah, over this side. A lot in our fridge. So but what's my come out? Yeah. So I wanted to let you guys know about this. If you don't know about this ice cream, you know, taste the last skin, you know, it looks like taste strawberry and just the niceness in it. Yeah, but Ocho is expensive because it's like $400 for one of this something. So consider this a treat. We consider this to be a treat. So yeah. So now we're in Progressive. We went to the supermarket over Champion, eh? They mix the fruit punch. We went to the supermarket over Champion, but we didn't get everything we wanted. Sorry. So we yeah. Thank you. So we came over Progressive to get a few stuff. We didn't get Gatorade, so we want Gatorade. So huh? Straight up. What you say?
Straighterade.
Straighterade?
Yeah, straight.
Straighterade, not Gatorade. We can't take you. I'm say Straighterade and a Gatorade. So yeah. Nothing else other from that though. That's how we're getting over here. Yep, I think so. We found the Gatorade, but I one flavor. Go on a bit. These are $80, but you know over here plus tax. So this will probably work out to be about $99 if the tax not I consider. 86.66 plus GCT. One flavor though, that's sad. How much have I did? 10? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. We have to have 2 more of that. And a shop we are open, okay? And a shop we are open. Just in case you might be wondering. No shop running over here. That's it?
Basically.
I want some of the grated cheese, because sometimes I want to make macaroni and cheese in the oven. You have I'm going to show the cheese, but you just grate it. You just grate the cheese. So guys see here them tie them out and sell them. Easy to go with. So I was thinking about doing something really nice for Sunday.
They look fine.
Thinking about doing something nice for Sunday. I feel like I'm gonna make one nice big bowl of macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna ask baby what meat him want and him said shrimp. So we're gonna get a shrimp. The small shrimp will be fine, but you know, nice something. Sunday I feel like nice something like a nice big bowl of baked macaroni and cheese with shrimp, and then baked chicken with some corn, no rice and peas. Hey guys, it's the next day. We're going what's up, big up on yourself. If you're new, big up on yourself. Always watching big up on yourself. So I'm just continuing the vlog from yesterday. So we got back from Joe's yesterday, but let me just leave a little review for Joe's in this video quickly. Adults only resort. I'm not sure if because it was storming or, you know, because you guys know a storm was out, because it was storming and the rain and all of that. I don't know if that impacted our entire result of enjoyment for that hotel. I'm not sure, but it was not the best. Would not go back. Not saying that it's a bad resort. The food was good that we had. The food that we got was good. We wanted to go to another restaurant, but this after 4 o'clock you cannot make any more reservations. What you can do is just go to the restaurant to see if there's any availability where it can accommodate you. So it did not work with both hotels, but it worked with one. The man is coming.
When?
I call him him coming.
Why football hot? Wow, man.
Who asked about football?
I talk to him, I talk to my phone.
I said the man coming.
So if man come, what I say? No, you say man come?
Me need you to be aware when the man come, because remember say him did outline the stuff, Sam did outline, so me don't want him come and pull up the things them, can you?
I'm gonna pull up, the man must do.
Alright, we have somebody coming to install a fan here. So we call it now. Yeah. So I don't know if because it was storming, the entire experience was not the best. Normally when we check out of hotel, we'll normally just relax a little bit, wait until lunchtime to go have lunch, then we would leave. But after we check out, we just left. We never stay. There was nothing there to keep us to there was nothing there. And it was raining. So yeah, nothing there. Nothing. Adults only want spruce up a little bit more, you know, especially like for alright, past experience. Adults only. Give the channel on the TV, let it facilitate for adults. So
No said that, but look on the got secrets.
so that's what I say you guys.
You got secrets. You see this is our keep, that is our keep. Adult business.
Yeah, that's
We
true.
never see nobody a walk.
That's true.
Really a walk.
True. True. Like, you know, there was not a lot of things to accommodate adults. It's more, it seemed like it's more retired adult feeling type of thing. Not true. Yeah, people don't really want, you know, the Wally Paw thing. And not give that buzz them. So I'm not sure. If you have been there and you have a different experience, you can share it with us. Yeah. Other from that though, a man is coming, electrician is coming to install a ceiling fan. So excited about that. Excited for that. Can't wait for that get done. And yeah. Alright guys, hey, what's up? On the doing. So I just realized that I did not end out the vlog from the last clip that you guys saw. That was probably about a week ago, yes, or more. And that's all because I'm really not feeling the vlogging mode. Really not in the vlogging mode since the other day. Not sure what's happening, but that's what's happening. Yeah. I wanted to share this with you guys though. And see my nails them. You see my nails them in the previous clips them too. How to like them. Let me know how to like them first before I'll start showing this already. But it's actually a press-on, a pack of press-on that I got at a beauty supply store in Ocho. It was $800. It's Joy Me and Be Your Own Artist. It's a 3-minute manicure and accessorize your nail. This is it. And actually I like these nails. Like, they had a whole lot of styles, and it's 24 pack nails with glue. I guess it didn't came with a glue. I wonder if it's these stuff them called the glue. Something here. But you know, in Jamaica we're not using those stuff as no glue, right? I use my regular nail glue, the pink cover one, to paste them on. Some persons might use the what you call the glue, the babe? The glue and a good feel. The shiny glue buckle. Super glue. And for me, I had a bad experience with that super glue where it burnt out my nail and let it got like yellow like fungus started growing it. So I don't really use that glue. So I use the regular glue. For me, I like the whole part work in the house, wash plate and shopping and whatever. So the water kind of use it up after a while. Do you turn on that, like, you know? So some of them they kind of fall off. I'm just repaste them back because you can repaste them. What I did was to buff them out before some of the paste, and then I apply a little bit more glue to it, and then you know they might be sharp, so when I glue them on I just buff it about a buffer as well in Ocho for like $20, $30. Not the best based on the price, that's evident. Yeah, so I wanted to let you guys know that. And then I was editing the video as well, and I realized that I told you that the man was coming to do an installation of the ceiling fan. Sadly, that's not done because our apartment is too low, and we wanted it in the bedroom initially, but we bed too high. So the man said him no want to install it, and he got chop off any part away. And then when we came to realization, like reality, we came to realize that it wouldn't make sense. It would give us this awkward feeling like we have got always a fear and take precaution with the whole thing being there. So we decided that we wanted to put it in the living room, but it has to put on pause because the man was going to come back the next day. Because him, a good thing too, him could have found a screw. He could have found one screw to hold it up, and then him said him now put up with one screw, kind of want to go drop down power because the fan is really big and heavy. So with the they can't turn on the same thing.
It certainly did something off the pitch, and it's a good confidence.
At the end, and him not FIFA. Him actually a play one cricket game. Him not playing the football now. It's like him addiction switch over to what is name?
Not addicted.
You're not addicted?
No.
You're not addicted? What is name?
You don't see what I name? You don't see what I play?
What name? Yeah, play cricket, but what's the name of this just in case somebody is watching who is interested?
Cricket 19.
So when they just go and download Cricket 19?
Buy.
Yeah, buy. You have to buy it. Cricket 19. How much? So they just go where? Go where? FIFA? Where them go?
Just go on the internet for the game.
So if you have the Xbox, like what he
App Store.
has down there, you go to the App Store. Yeah, any game, but this one is called Cricket 19. So yeah, is addicted. It's only because him like in conscious now go game for play the game all the time because I'm think me go say something. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Your mind.
Every time you take up the control, you play, you want to sit.
Me?
Every single time.
Me?
You take control, you want to sit.
You said you hear me say something today?
You don't want to say nothing.
But what? Me no want to say nothing. Exactly. Me no want to say nothing. Yeah, do your thing and me I do my thing.
You don't want to say nothing now.
Until it probably get too late.
Take up the control, you pain your hand.
It pain me. But yeah, get attention you now. Come give me attention. Say that must.
Give your attention when you look on your phone.
Excuse me, you take out the phone and come give me that attention. Anyways, what me that talk about? Yes, so I think the ceiling fan. So we want it in the living room. When we analyze that, they know the TV. The TV where the on the wall have to go come down because the ceiling fan I go spin in the TV. The perception of me I talk about. So it's very low. So you see how close the height where the TV is because the ground ceiling. So if the fan is a big fan, you can see it over the center of the box still. You just did this rest, you know. It's if you put the fan big. So if we put the fan I go big and the blaze them I go spin in the TV, and when we sit down at this lower area I just be a foolish thing to go on. The fan I go spin in the TV. So it have to come down. Until we decide well, I think we're going to take it down, just not sure when because it kinda hurt with neck and all of them something too high. It's like the what you call it, proximity, Asabel? The proximity between
Just the tool on the TV is too high.
the proximity between the TV and I gotta look for the definition of the word there. I think the proximity have to do with distance and whatever. So the proximity between the TV and the couch makes sense for
You hear what I say?
reality.
It's a TV low on the TV the high. Simple as that.
Oh dear, that's a yeah, try too hard. That's why something you chat garbage. That's true. Anyways, we call it. So yeah. So that has to get done. TV will come down. We don't know when. Whenever that come down. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's up. So guys, this is where I'm going to end out this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, the press on them. Some of them drop off. All I need to do is just buff off my nails. Buff out if I'm going to reuse the old ones and buff them out. Glue them on and girl, good to go again. Yep. So 5 minutes or less depends on your speed. I understand that it depends on how neat you want it to be, because you can sit down and push in your cuticles and so forth and whatever. Yeah. Anyways guys, I'm gonna end out the video here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. One more thing before me go. I know you guys might be hearing the audio going in and out in my vlogs. This is why I have in the earpiece right now, because I don't know, I'm using the iPhone XR. Ever since I got this phone, I have been experiencing that issue, and when I start like a new vlog, the audio is low and it just gradually increase. I don't know what to do. I probably have to go YouTube it. Probably that's what I should have done from before to try to resolve that problem. But I don't know, if you are using an iPhone XR to do vlogs and you're having that issue, let me know what could be the problem, or if you did have that issue and not having it anymore, let me know what you guys did to resolve that problem. And yeah, so I'm definitely going to end the vlog here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.